Hey guys, welcome to Easy Learning Economics. In this lecture, we will run the regression in SPSS statistical package for social sciences software. So, what is regression? Basically, the regression is performed to find the on an average impact of independent variable on dependent variable. So, to perform the regression, we must have a dependent and independent variable data set. So here is the option that a read text data or the import data. You can select here, and now the data set is available in Excel sheet. You must select the all files here. Our data set is here. So this is our required data. So now we import this data. Now you select the OK button. Now you will see the data here. This is the time series data as the number of the years are here. This data is from 1985 to 2012. So this is the time series data. This is the GDP is a dependent variable, and rest of the variables are service value added, agriculture value added, industrial value added, exports, imports, personal remittances, and distributed external debt whatsoever. These are the independent variables. So here to perform the regression, what we have to do, first we go to the analyze, then select the regression and then linear. Then in the dependent column, we put the GDP as a dependent variable and service value added as independent variable. So now in status column, you can select as per your requirement as descriptive, then continue, and then plots the, if you require histogram, you can select, or if then you have to select the methods. So these are the different methods to run the regression. So OLS is one of the technique which is used to run the regression. So these are the stepwise, backward, forward, and remove method. Now we employ only the simple OLS method, enter method. So then select OK. The regression results will be there. So this is the descriptive statistics, and it's a correlation, and this is the variable column which we are showing. It is showing that the dependent variable is GDP. In model summary, the R square, and this is the coefficient of correlation, and the R square is the coefficient of determination, and adjusted R square, and this is the ANOVA analysis. Fitness of data is telling through the ANOVA analysis, and these are the coefficients. You can copy these results also like that. If you want to copy these results, you can select here, put the cursor here, and then copy, and you can also paste it in the Word file. So and you can use these results for your thesis or research article. So this is all about to run the regression, and in the next video we will learn how to interpret the results. If you have any queries or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much.